In the small, charming town of Harmony, Kansas, two souls are about to embark on a journey of healing and unexpected love.
Lily, fresh from a bitter divorce, returns to her childhood home to run her family's bed and breakfast. Little does she know, her life is about to be touched by a man with his own scars. Lily Evans steps off the porch of her family's quaint bed and breakfast, her heart heavy but determined. The place is in dire need of repair, much like her spirit. As she surveys the peeling, paint, and overgrown garden, a sense of overwhelming responsibility washes over her.
All right, Lily. One step at a time. This place can be beautiful again, just like you.
Enter Ryan Mitchell, a local handyman with a troubled past. A man of few words, but with hands that can mend anything broken. He arrives at the bed and breakfast, ready to work, but unaware that this job will mend more than just the building.
Miss Evans, I'm Ryan, here to help with the repairs.
Please, call me Lily. Thank you for coming, Ryan. I could use all the help I can get.
As days turn into weeks, their initial interactions are polite and professional. But gradually, shared moments of vulnerability and laughter begin to bridge the gap between them. Lily finds solace in Ryan's quiet strength, while Ryan is drawn to Lily's resilience and warmth.
You know, Ryan, I never imagined I'd be back here fixing up this place. Life has a funny way of surprising us.
Yeah, it does. Sometimes those surprises turn out to be exactly what we need.
One evening, as they take a break on the porch, the sun setting in a blaze of orange and pink, their conversation turns deeply personal.
I used to sit here with my grandmother, dreaming of all the wonderful things I'd do. But life, it didn't turn out the way I planned.
I know the feeling. I've made my share of mistakes. But being here, working on this place, it feels like a chance to start over.
In that moment beneath the Kansas sky, something shifts. Their eyes meet, and in the silence, a bond forms, one of understanding and hope.
Lily, you're stronger than you realize. And this place, it's coming back to life because of you.
Thank you, Ryan. That means more than you know.
As they continue to restore the bed and breakfast, they also begin to restore each other. Their laughter becomes more frequent, their conversations deeper. And with each passing day, the walls around their hearts start to crumble. One rainy afternoon, they find themselves caught in a sudden downpour. Laughing, they rush inside, soaked to the bone. In the cozy warmth of the living room, their playful teasing turns into something more.
Looks like we'll be working indoors today.
Guess so. Thank you for making this fun, Ryan.
Lily,
Shh. Just kiss me, Ryan.
It's a kiss filled with promise, healing, and a future waiting to be written. As they part, their eyes locked in a silent conversation, they realize that this moment is the beginning of something beautiful, a fresh chapter where love and trust are the guiding lights.
Ryan, I never thought I could feel this way again.
neither did I. But here we are, and it feels right.
The rain outside turns into a gentle drizzle, and they settle on the couch, wrapped in each other's warmth, sharing stories and dreams. Each word, each laugh weaves them closer together.
Days turn into weeks, and the transformation of the bed and breakfast mirrors their own. What was once old and worn is now vibrant and welcoming. The grand reopening brings the town together, and as guests fill the rooms, Lily and Ryan stand side by side, their hands intertwined.
Look at this place, Ryan. We did it.
No, Lily. You did it. I just helped. You've given it life again, just like you did for me.
They share a smile, a silent acknowledgement of their journey. The first guests arrive, and with them, a sense of accomplishment and new beginnings. That night, as the stars twinkle above the quiet town of Harmony, Lily and Ryan sit on the porch, the future stretching out before them like the endless Kansas sky.
What do you see for us, Ryan?
I see a home filled with love and laughter. I see us, growing old together, facing whatever comes our way.
That sounds perfect.
In the Heartland, where the pace of life is slow but the love is deep, two hearts have found their way back to happiness. Their story is a testament to the power of healing and the magic of second chances.
This has been Healing Hearts in the Heartland, an audio story of love, healing, and new beginnings. Thank you for listening.